and it's a rip-roaring good time. I mean, if you need a 1980s metal pulp film, this is that.
Jared Einstein, We Summon the Darkness.
Kyle Tequila, We Summon the Darkness. We just switched names there, but it's fine.
What's the film about?
It's a psychological thriller that Mark Myers directed, who did My Friend Dahmer. It's starring Johnny Knoxville, Alexandra Daddario, this guy right here, Logan Miller.
What the f*** do you want?
Keean Johnson.
This is the Red Band interview.
And we can't...
All right, I'm going to let Logan take it. Logan.
I'll censor myself.
How does it feel to be screening this film at Mammoth Film Festival?
Oh, you know, it's great. I love Mammoth. I love woolly mammoths. That's my favorite animal. They're coming back in a big way. The Ice Age is coming back, and I also love the movie Ice Age. Ice Age 1, 2, and 3.
Can you do a Sid the Sloth impression?
Oh, I'm Sid the Sloth.
Sid the Sloth! It's the thing.
Oh, wow, I'm Sid the Sloth. And then there's that, I love that goofy squirrel who's always trying to get his nuts.
No one should see this film. Can you guys tell us what you do in the movie?
I act in the movie, and he acts in the movie as well.
I as well.
Yeah, and it's a rip-roaring good time. I mean, if you need a 1980s metal pulp film, this is that.
Have you seen it yet?
I have seen it. I've seen very different iterations of it, but I have not seen it in front of a screen.
How many
before,
times
so.
have you seen it?
2 times.
Yeah. All right, we have this entire list of completely random questions.
Great.
But they only want us to ask 2 questions, so it depends on you how quickly you get us in and out of here. Okay.
So,
Answers.
All right.
What's your death row meal?
Asparagus. Say that again. Asparagus.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
You guys said go fast.
What would you name your boat?
Asparagus.
Bird.
What's your dumbest injury?
I broke my thumb once. My mom slammed my hand in the car door.
Purposely?
Yeah, she hates me.
What's your favorite fruit? All of you.
Favorite fruit?
Pineapple. Sure.
Coconut. Is that a fruit?
Kiwi. Orange, for sure.
Okay, all right. What's the worst smell you've ever smelled?
Jared Einstein.
Jared Einstein. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What's your favorite Tom Cruise movie?
Top Gun.
Jared McGuire.
Mission Impossible 3.
The new Top Gun. I saw it and holy sh**.
Would you take a hit in the face from a heavyweight champ once a year if you meant you never had to sit in traffic?
No. Yes. No, I enjoy traffic.
I love traffic. I don't know what everyone's complaining about.
Yeah.
What's the best bet you've ever won?
Jared?
If you come to the Mammoth Film Festival, you'll get $1 million. And I won that bet. Because Jared was like, you're not coming. And I came. And so now he owes me $1 million.
Have you ever seen Sex and the City 2?
No.
Is that a porno?
What's your porn star name?
Logan Miller.
Gummy dribble sticks.
Perfect. We gotta end it there.
All right.
That was great.
We're not going to be able to use it. I'm sorry.
Thank you guys.